Welcome to Jeeva Vaarthai Bible app. Ad-free multi-language Bible app. The link is provided in the description. The app is available in the Apple App Store. You can search by the name Jeeva Vaarthai and download from the Apple App Store. When the application launches, you could choose between Old Testament scripture or the New Testament by selecting the required option and choose the chapter number and start reading the Bible. Choose parallel reading option button, which will allow you to choose one of the many languages provided between English, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi and Kannada. You can read two versions of the Bible in parallel mode. You could also make required bookmarks as necessary to go back to the history from the bookmarks to select the scripture and continue reading where you left off. You can also make customization options by choosing the customization option to change the language or the font size or the background color to make your reading experience more pleasant. And you can also go with the option to select search scriptures to choose a scripture by the name of the book and the chapter number and the scripture number, or you could actually even select based on the name of the verse. And you can listen Bible in the audio mode, and you can also select repeated reading mode to make scriptures read to you repeatedly to memorize the scriptures, and you can even set timers to turn off automatic. The Jeeva Vaarthai Bible app at this time is still in testing in the Andriod App Store. If you would like to be one of those to test this application in the Android phone, please send me your Gmail address that is provided in this description. I will send the link to download, and you can accept to be the tester and install the application and start using and enjoy the Bible app. Listen into the audio Bible and read the scriptures and be blessed. Thank you.